On the spreadsheet is a table. For the column that is labeled color, what I want to do, I want to center these items here. So I'm going to use my mouse to select this range from A3 to A7. Then I'm going to come up to make sure that the Home tab selected. I'm going to come across to the alignment option, and I'm going to click center. All right, so this is how you would center the information in the cell. Then I want to make sure that these items that are under the column entitled color are italics. So what I'm going to do again, I'm going to select the range, which is A3 to A7. Then I'm going to make sure that the Home tab selected. Then I'm going to come across here now and use my mouse to click the italic option here, which I can type Control plus L or just click using my mouse. And if you look here, you see now the words red, blue, green, red, and orange are in italics, while the other information that is in the table is not in italic format. All right. So this is how you would center the words and apply the italic format to them.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.